Let's talk about the recently launched Motorola smartphone Moto G24. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.6 inches HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels, approximately 84.6% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 269 ppi. Pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, 537 nits peak brightness, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G85 chipset, paired with Mali G52MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of eMMC 5.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163 by 75 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 180 grams. The color options: matte charcoal, ice green, pink lavender, blueberry colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with water-repellent design for water protection. So, now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Motorola Moto G24 has been priced for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at €129 and around $140, and expected 39,999 Pakistani rupees, and expected 11,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Motorola Moto G24 smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.